Hey guys, you are watching Unique 5 channel. In this video we are going to see how to enable RTL layout option in Android smartphones. If you are not subscribed to my channel, then click the subscribe button and click the notification bell to get latest video updates. Let's get into the video. RTL layout option is available in the developer option. In most of the phones, developer option is hidden. Enabling developer option is different for each models. Here we are using Xiaomi phone. So open the settings screen and tap about phone. Then tap the MIUI version 7 times continuously. You'll see a toast notification with a countdown that reads, "You are now X steps away from being a developer." When you're done, you'll see the message, "You are now a developer." That's all, we have enabled the developer option. Then we have to enable the RTL layout. For that, go to developer option. You can see the force RTL layout direction in the developer option. While most of the languages in the world are written from left to right, there are several languages are written in right to left writing system. The most widespread RTL are Arabic script, Hebrew alphabet, and Syriac alphabet. To handle them, Android supports RTL layouts. Tap the RTL layout. We can see that everything has changed to right to left. Let's see how it works. For that, we have to change the system language. Change the language to Arabic. The most widespread RTL is Arabic script. Now we can see that system language is changed to Arabic. Yeah, it is working good. This option can be used for the left-hand users also. For them it is very helpful. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Click the notification bell to get latest video updates. If you like the video, then share with your friends. See you in next video. Thank you. Have a good day.